Hey guys, we are here in Edisto Beach, South Carolina. Now what do you do if you come to a town and they don't have a typical diner? You find Mexican food! Tortugas is a fun little Mexican restaurant. You actually walk up to the counter there and you place your order, and then they'll bring it right out to you. It's just a fun, friendly little atmosphere. They have a ton of stuff on their menu. Breakfast and lunch is what they serve, but you better get there early because they close at 2. Now you know that any good Mexican restaurant, what is the test? It is their salsa. A good Mexican restaurant will have a good salsa. You can judge a Mexican restaurant by its salsa. This one is about perfect. It's got a little bit of smoky, a little bit of sweet, and a little bit of heat. Now they're actually known for their homemade hot sauce. You had the ghost pepper sauce.
Yes, it's very tasty.
Did you survive?
Yes, I react very violently to spicy foods. I react very violently to spicy foods.
Now just who is this mad scientist behind the ghost pepper sauce? Some call him the boss. But let's just call him by his name, Chris. Now Chris is actually the owner of Tortugas. Let's see if we can figure out what goes into the ghost pepper sauce.
The ghost pepper is a roasted ghost pepper with some carrots, onions, agave, sweetener, a little garlic, a little vinegar, and some secret love.
So I've got to try me some of this secret love ghost pepper sauce. I think it'll go good in my soup, so I'm going to put a big helping in there. I better get it stirred up in that soup really good. Oh, let's keep stirring it some more. Now, a big bite. And the verdict is... yes! We had the taco gringo style. Also, the poblano corn chowder. And the piece de resistance, the Gordo Nachos.
My personal favorite is the slow roasted beef, the barbacoa, and our enchilada red sauce, our enchiladas rojas. It's my favorite dish that I always seem to go back to.
We just got done eating in here. This place is awesome. If you are ever in Edisto Beach, you cannot miss Tortugas. Now this is what we had left when we were done eating, and we were so full we couldn't finish our nachos. Okay, if you're not a subscriber to our channel, click that subscribe button. Also click that notification bell, because you don't want to ever miss a video. You never know when we're going to be in your area. If you know a place we need to come, put it in the comments down below. All right, until next time.